Now to conclude our everyday math. Let's work on the last problem. Julia takes out a 30-year, $250,000 loan at a fixed interest rate of 4% to buy a home. Calculate Julia's monthly mortgage payment. There's a formula that we could use to calculate the monthly payment. It's equal to the principal times the monthly interest rate divided by 1 minus 1 plus r raised to the negative n. Let me write this better. Now, n is the number of payments that will be made over the course of 30 years. So let's write down what we know. The principal is the value of the loan. That's $250,000. The monthly interest rate is going to be the fixed interest rate of 4% divided by 12 months in a year. So 4 divided by 12, well, this is 0.04 as a decimal. So it's really 0.04 divided by 12. And 0.04 divided by 12, that's 0.003 repeated. So I'm going to leave it like this for now. Now, n is going to be 30 years times 12 months. So she's going to make a total of 360 monthly payments. Each year she's going to make 12 payments, and she's going to do it for 30 years. So in 30 years she's going to make 360 monthly payments. So that's our n value. So now let's plug in everything into this formula. So it's 250,000 times r. So that's 0.04 divided by 12. And then this is going to be 1 minus 1 plus r. That's 0.04 over 12. And this is going to be raised to negative n, or negative 360. So now let's multiply 250,000 by 0.04, and then let's divide that by 12. So on top we have 833.3 repeated. So I'm going to write a few 3's after that. And then it's going to be 1 minus, that 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12, that's 1.003 repeated. We're going to raise that to the negative 360 power. So it's going to be 1 minus 0.301795,865. So let's subtract the two numbers on the bottom. 1 minus 0.301795,865. That's 0.698204135. Now let's divide these two numbers. So the monthly mortgage payment is going to be $1,193.54. So that's how much Julia is going to have to pay each month to repay this loan over the course of 30 years. So that's the answer to part A. Now let's move on to part B. What is the total amount of money that she will have to repay over 30 years? So she's paying this amount each month. There's 12 months in a year. Over 30 years, she's going to make 360 monthly payments. So we need to multiply this number by the 360 monthly payments that she's going to make in the course of 30 years. So this is the total amount that she's going to pay back. $429,674.40. So this number includes the original principal plus interest. So to calculate the total interest that she's going to pay for this loan, we'll need to subtract the total amount of payments that she's going to make over 30 years by the principal amount, or the original cost of the loan. So in the course of 30 years, she's going to pay $179,674.40 in interest, which is a lot. So you could reduce this if you can get a loan at a better interest rate. The lower the interest rate, the lower this value will be. And also, the faster you can pay off the loan, the lower the total interest that you'll pay over time. She's paying this loan over 30 years. If she were to reduce it to a 20-year loan or a 10-year loan, the mortgage payment will be higher, but the total interest that she will pay over time will be less. So that's it for this video. Hopefully, it gave you a good introduction into the basic math that you might encounter in everyday life. See you in the next lesson.